Imagine a potential customer sitting in their car in Northern Virginia. They need a local service right now and pull out their phone to search. They tap on a search result, but the website that loads was clearly built for a desktop monitor. The text is microscopic, the menu is a crowded mess, and they have to pinch and drag just to find a phone number. That visitor is not going to hunt for a menu button or wait for a slow site to load. In under 5 seconds, their patience runs out, and they hit the back button. That single moment of friction costs you a high-intent lead. Instead of calling your business, they click on a local competitor whose site actually works clearly on their phone. For a consumer in Arlington or Fairfax, the smartphone screen is where they decide whether your business is worth their time. When the layout is simply a shrunk-down desktop site, it functions as a barrier between you and a potential client. This animated diagram illustrates the core concept of mobile-first web design. Instead of starting large, you plan the layout around the strict constraints of the smallest screen first, and then progressively expand that foundation for larger displays. This approach starts with speed. When a user is browsing on a cellular network, pages need to load instantly to keep them engaged. The physical layout must adapt to touch. Headlines need to be clear, and links must be large enough to easily tap with a thumb. Forms require a similar overhaul. A detailed 15-field contact form might look manageable on a desktop monitor, but on a phone it feels tedious and overwhelming. For users on the go, a highly visible click-to-call button allows them to contact you without typing a single word. Trust signals also have to be obvious right away. Mobile users will not dig through multiple pages to verify your credibility, so short review snippets, clear service area language must be visible immediately upon scrolling. Servicing these credibility cues instantly prevents the user from having to work for basic information. This seamless experience is what keeps an impatient scroller in the conversion funnel. Designing for human behavior is only half the equation. The other half involves the unseen algorithmic engine dictating your online visibility, Google's mobile-first indexing. Google's system evaluates the smartphone layout, bypassing the desktop monitor. It looks exclusively at the mobile version for search ranking. Therefore, removing important text simply to save mobile screen space causes a drop in visibility. The recommended solution to prevent this is responsive web design. Responsive design works by serving the exact same underlying HTML code across all devices. It fluidly adjusts the layout to fit any screen size, satisfying Google's requirement without losing your essential content. Building a mobile-first site satisfies Google's indexing requirements and ensures your business remains visible in search. When both of these elements align, a true mobile-first website operates as both a technical system and a psychological tool for lead generation. The friction disappears. An impatient local searcher finds what they need instantly, turning a quick glance at a screen into a definitive phone call or a completed quote request. If you are planning a website redesign, the process should begin by evaluating the phone view. Starting with a wide desktop mockup often leads directly to missed opportunities. For businesses in Arlington, Alexandria, and the wider Northern Virginia and DC area, USA Marketing Pros provides the solution. We build professional, lightning-fast, mobile-first websites engineered specifically to rank highly in search results and convert mobile visitors into real clients. Stop losing valuable leads to digital friction. Upgrade your online presence by visiting usamarketingpros.com today.